buddy Denny here. Well, we've had fun with this series. Let's finish it off. Put the cherry on top, so to speak, okay? And I'll meet you over at the easel. And here we are. We just kind of did a little bit of scraping on this with a damp rag just to pull these colors across. And you know, everybody keeps saying how these mountains look like a great big ice cream sundae. Well, a sundae needs a cherry on top. So let's see how this would look with a cherry on top. Okay, let's just see. Let's have some fun here. Okay, there we go. Ooh, that's looking pretty good. I might have to go to Dairy Queen and get me an ice cream sundae with a cherry on top. Okay? So, let's give him a stem. Just like that. That little doot on the end of it. And there we go. We've had a ton of fun with this painting. We've seen how to make a quick sky really, really nice. And just by using damp with a little bit of water, we were able to make a really nice sky. The mountain was painted with the negative space. Then we just shadowed in the areas we wanted. The trees, you saw, they were made by simply using a sponge. And we had a good time doing that. And I don't know if I can get this thing loose or not. I don't know if she's going to cooperate. If she does, fine. If not, well, we gave it a try. Well, she's not going to cooperate, so we'll just leave it as is and take it off, and I'll show you a picture of it later, okay? Be with me tomorrow. We've got a new series starting, and it's going to be watercolor, and I think you're going to like it, okay? So, be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, comment, and for goodness sakes, remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. Well, there we go. We got the cherry on top. It's been fun. Be with us tomorrow. We'll start a new series. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.